How to fix you need official WhatsApp to be login. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how can you fix the issue like you need official WhatsApp to be login. So let's get started. First, as you have to install the latest and official WhatsApp, simply open App Store or Play Store. After you open App Store, in the source field, you'll have to search for WhatsApp. For this, you must have to uninstall or delete the older version of WhatsApp. After that, reinstall the latest version of WhatsApp on your device. After you install that, you'll have to just open that and try to log in with your account. If you're not able to do this, you'll have to clear the app data. For that, simply open Settings. From Settings, tap on General. From General, tap on iPhone Storage. And from here, you'll have to scroll down and find out the application WhatsApp. After you find it, tap on that. From here, tap on Upload. Alright, tap on Upload. After you uploaded the WhatsApp app, simply tap on Reinstall. After you tap on that and clear the cache of WhatsApp, your problem should be fixed. Now from there, simply open WhatsApp and from there, enter your phone number to be login. Get your SMS code and verify with that. After that, you'll be able to log in with your account on WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.